If you're thinking about getting seamless steel siding in Council Grove, Kansas, it's important to know the difference between the myths and truths about the product. Midland Exteriors is happy to answer your questions and help you decide if it's the right type of siding for you. Here are some of the most common myths to be aware of. Many believe that maintaining steel siding is difficult, but maintaining seamless steel siding isn't hard or extensive. In fact, since it doesn't warp or rust easily, there really is not much maintenance required. Another myth is that this siding option may warp or fade. Thankfully, this couldn't be further from the truth. Unlike other metal materials, seamless steel is very strong. It doesn't bend or warp easily, and it's perfectly capable of withstanding bad weather. Some homeowners may believe that it doesn't offer energy efficiency, but you might be surprised by the benefits this home improvement option can provide to your home. Combining quality seamless steel siding and insulation makes your home more comfortable and energy efficient. Thinking about adding seamless steel siding to your Morris County home? Call Midland Exteriors at 855-735-8255 for a free estimate.